Hi. So my model was made out of foam, and which I covered with tissue paper. The veins and arteries were made out of rope. I made the greater vessels out of pipes and flexible tubes for the bigger arteries. The, this is how it works. So the heart pumps blood to the aorta, goes to the celiac trunk right here, where three major arteries come out, which is the left gastric artery that goes to the stomach, the common hepatic artery that goes to the liver, and the splenic vein that goes right here and goes above, almost posterior to the pancreas, and it goes to the spleen. Once the blood is processed in the spleen, it goes back to through the splenic vein right here. It comes up here and it joins the superior mesenteric vein that goes posterior to the pancreas, and they both join to become the portal vein. Right here below the celiac trunk, about 2 centimeters down, is the superior mesenteric artery, which goes posterior to the pancreas, and it goes automatically to feed the small intestine and portions of the large intestine. So if we go to the back, we can see the kidneys, and we see the right renal artery that is located posterior to the IVC. Once the blood is used and cleaned, it goes to the right renal vein that goes directly into the IVC. For the left kidney, the left renal artery goes directly to it. Once the blood is processed, it exits, drains through the left renal vein that goes anterior to the IVC, and it goes posterior to the SMA, creating the nutcracker phenomenon. Right here, down here, we can see how the aorta bifurcates into the left and right iliac artery. And then if we go over to the IVC, we see how it originates in the union of the left and right iliac veins. So that's where it originates. It comes up, and we go back over here to where the portal vein is created from the superior mesenteric vein and the splenic vein, and the portal vein goes into the liver, bringing nutrient-rich blood. Once it is processed, we can see up here that the blood leaves through the common hepatic veins, and then the blood goes back up to be processed. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the body. The liver carries out over 500 tasks. It roles include detoxification, protein synthesis, production of chemicals that help to digest. The spleen removes old blood, damaged blood cells, fights infections, stores white blood cells. The kidneys, they filter waste and excess fluid from the blood, which forms urine. The pancreas produces enzymes that break down food, and also releases hormones to regulate blood sugar like insulin and glucagon. The gallbladder is basically stores bile, which is released to break down and digest fats. We see the duodenum right here. Its key role is digestion, and it breaks down protein, fat, and carbohydrates. The small intestine is basically a main site of digestion and nutrient absorption, and the large intestine basically absorbs the water and electrolytes from indigestible food, turning it into solid waste, which is processed and then sent to the rectum and then discarded. It's also the houses healthy bacteria. From this project, I was able to familiarize myself with the location of each organ, and also the vascular, the location of the vessels. I saw how important blood circulation is to each organ, and this really helped me to appreciate how intricate the body really is.